ETC, we start with weekly chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And as we can see, based on weekly chart, we have this, we are within this correction. And if you get any reversal, this is the targets I'm looking for. At least I'm looking to see the breakout of the 48, all right? And the only thing is how we can look for trade, because based on weekly chart, I don't see any trade setup. The possibility for the price to retest this low is very less, because technically what I can see here, I'm looking for continuation. But as we know, sometimes it depends on the overall market. Anyway, we're looking for buy, and we want to see whether we can look for buy based on lower time frame. And if you move to daily chart, all right, if you get any opportunity for buy from here with the breakout of this top, at least we can look for 48, all right. Then from there we can look for 56. Based on daily chart, we have to see the breakout of this zone. But the only thing is, the question is whether the price can reverse from here or not, okay? Because some of the charts, they have the similar, I mean the way is moving is similar, and technically whether we can look for this one as a flat or not. And when we look at this one, okay, is losing the momentum. Great. No, the question is whether the price can reverse from here or we get the next drop before we see the reversal. For sure, if we get the next drop, we conform with the flat three waves, we will have a divergence. Okay, as every time mostly we're looking for the divergence before we see the reversal, because we get this drop, the prices start to reverse, but the way it's reversing is very corrective. That's why if the next drops happen following by divergence, and technically we can confirm this one as the not flat, any reversal from there will be the best. And if it's happen, how deep it can go, we can expect for the next drop with the breakout of this low, we can expect the price drop to 22. Okay, and if you want to look for reversal, we prefer that we get the next drop, the price tag somewhere around 21, 22, then we see the reversal. Because if the price could break the 22, and if it's dropped to 19, then the possibility for the next drop is quite less, because the overall market will be different. Okay, that's why I mentioned we don't need to wait for the next drop. If it's happened, if the price drop to 22 following by divergence, any opportunity for buy from there, I will take it. Okay, but as I mentioned, we don't need to wait for the next drop. To wait for the next drop is the best option. But if the price reverses from here, whether we can look for buy or not, if the price reverses from here as a corrective, I'm not really interested to look for buy unless I see the breakout of this one as a sharp move following by flag. Then I will take the next trade. That means as long as I see the price broke this one as a sharp move, we see we are out of this one, then from there I will take the trade. I mean, I will look for buy setup. Okay, but if the price reverse from here as a corrective, for me, I'm not really interested to look for buy. And at this point, I prefer to wait, because even for me, if I want to look for buy from here, I want to see the breakout of this one. I'm not really interested to buy at this top because of the next drop. Okay, again, if we get this option following by divergence will be the best, but we don't want to see the breakout of 22 or 21, because if it's happened, we see the break, then we can expect even the price break the 19. Okay, anyway, at this point I don't see any trade setup based on daily chart. We can look for buy based on lower time frame or sell as a short-term trade, but for me, I'm not really interested to look for that, because I'm looking for buy as a long term. And if I move to forward chart, even if anyone wants to look for buy here, may this one turn to a deeper correction, then we can look for buy as a short term. But at that time, we have to see what will happen here. We have to refer to the indicators. Okay, to make it very simple for me, I'm not really interested to look for buy or sell at this point. I prefer to wait. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.